Hello everyone, just want to give you maybe a quick update, maybe 4 or 5 minutes, whatever, or just what's been going on. We're still looking for August 19th to be the date that we are handed the keys and be given occupancy. And that's still pretty much on schedule, but anything can change. As we walk into, you can't feel it or see it, but I can. There is air conditioning and it is cool in this part of the building right now. As we walk in from the slab from our old sanctuary, this room over here will be our compassion room that we will use initially for food items and clothing supplies, for those in need in our community. And the air conditioning really does feel good. As we walk through our greeting area, what we're looking at now is our new Sunday school area, with this section right over here being our new nursery. And then our Sunday school area right here, which is a wonderful space for Sunday school, vacation Bible school, and other events. And as we go back out into the lobby area, right over here in this corner right here is going to be our coffee center for greeting people. And as we go down the hallway, we have water fountains with bottle fillers. And the air is not quite as good here yet. It's not started everywhere, just certain places. And again, this is our huge storage area to help store things for ministry. As we continue down the hallway, we make a left-hand turn and go into our worship center. And working on some final things to get some approvals and inspections, and they will be putting the rest of the ceilings in. Our chairs for worship will be in next Tuesday, and a couple of weeks after that we'll be getting our platform for our stage, and Wayne is doing a great job constructing our new altar and pulpit. So this will be our wonderful worship space. And I just want to give you a quick look. Everybody's seen the deck and part of the new playground, but we have the wall up now. I don't know if many of y'all have seen that. So fairly soon we'll be getting dirt to fill that in and a railing around the wall, to keep our children safe. But that's going to be a huge and a wonderful space for our playground. And then we'll just take a quick look over here into our kitchen area, which is maybe about half again as big as it was before, which will be wonderful for everyone who uses this either to eat or to prepare food to be eaten. Our new refrigerator and freezer, commercial style, 2 new dishwashers, our double stove and gas range with 2 places for 2 new microwaves. And that's our kitchen. So looking forward to having fellowship events. And if you may remember, this will be our washer and dryer area and our music room and just another classroom over here. And we'll take just a quick run downstairs, see what new has happened down there. Like I said, we're still looking for August 19th, to be our occupancy date, but we'll see. There could be some things that hold that up, but maybe not long. And then our downstairs area, with restrooms, of course, our high school and youth room here, garage there. And then this is the most exciting part, is our new youth facilitary area anyway. Just a huge room for our youth. And this will be our conference room. And then my office. And as we go down the hallway, we get to Anita's office. And so there's a quick update of where we are, and more information will come soon. Thank you. Bye.